Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to update drivers in Windows automatically and manually. So let's get started. First is you need to do a right click here in the Windows icon and go for Device Manager. The moment you open your Device Manager, just expand it and here, look for display adapters. As you can see, it has this next to desk drives. Just click the arrow icon here, and it will appear the graphic cards present in your machine. Just have to do a right click, and in order to update driver, proceed by clicking this, and it has these two options. Here, you can select any of those two. You can here, if you want to search for drivers automatically, then you can proceed with that. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then simply close this and copy this and search for any manufacturer website like Dell, Lenovo, or HP. And you can update your driver here. You can also update this in Microsoft or the Intel website. Just make sure that you visit only of those three websites. Okay? And the next one is you can also update driver manually. How? Just proceed to the second option and let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Since we're rolling back the driver here, just try any of these two present in your computer and one by one check by simply clicking that and next to proceed and just observe what works best for you. Okay? Once done, you can simply close this and let's proceed to sound, video, and game controllers. Here, you just have to click the forward arrow here and choose the device or sound that is in your machine. I mean, in my case, I'm using this Realtek R Audio. So just have to simply do a right click, update driver, and as well as this, you can choose any of these two. You can go with automatically search for drivers, and you can go with this browse for drivers on your computer, and you can go with this let me pick. And here, if you have any other choices here, I mean, in my case, I have only one. Just have to check one by one and try what's work best for you. Okay? So those are the steps on how to update drivers in your Windows. Hopefully you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.